GP Bangerz.
Two college boys from dear old Yale flew into New York town, for they were wise and on Broadway some chickens could be found. They strolled around until they met two girlies just 16, with rosy smile and golden hair, and eyes that wanted to dream. They grabbed those maidens quick, and both cried, "Oh, you chicks!" Everybody loves the chicken. The chicken, everybody wants as well as you and me. All the boys, they love the small ones. They don't care for all the tall ones. They love them thin and sweet. Everybody loves to love a chicken, and that is why we dress. That's why you hear the boys all cry. Oh, what I do for a chicken like you. Everybody loves a chicken. Those college caps have married and their lives belong to green, because the maidens they have won a lady chicken queen. No more they'll wander around the town and play the 5:6. No gay white way they've had their day. But they are bound to cry when wifey cuddles near and whispers in his ear. Everybody loves a chicken. A chicken, everybody wants to tell it to and me. All the boys, they love the small ones. They don't care for all the tall ones. They love them thin and sweet. Everybody loves to love a chicken, and that is why when dressed that by you hear the boys all cry. Oh, what I do for a chicken like you. Everybody loves a chicken. Everybody loves them. You can always raise the chickens when you're with a lot of chickens. When you take a little chicken out to dine, and you would do for one good time fine now. Anywhere with the chicken, where the wine is flowing, take a gal out in a taxi. You don't care how much it's blowing. We are all bound to fall for the taxi stuff, and then we haven't got enough to ride home in an ordinary trolley. Then you think of all the jolly that you had with Dolly. You don't regret, you can't forget, because you take it with you yet, and when another night rolls by, you will use the same old cry. Everyone that's out for fun will have a chick to call them home the same old way you spent your money. Oh, everybody loves a chicken.